What's good, YouTube? It is your girl Blossom here, and I am coming back with another video. Today's video, we will be talking about two different topics. The first topic being a lot of people not seeing a lot of weight loss while taking 1 milligram and below dosages of either Ozempic and Wegovy, and also if Wegovy was a cause of my depression once I stopped the medication. With Wegovy, the highest dosage is 2.4 milligrams. And to get to 2.4 milligrams, you cannot just start that off the back, because I promise you, you're going to have some of the most intense side effects ever with this medication. It has to build up in your system. You first start off at the 0.25 for about 4 weeks. And then from there, you graduate into a higher dosage of 0.5 milligrams. There has been some cases where someone has told me that they started off at 0.5 milligrams because the 0.25 milligrams was not available in their pharmacy. So their doctor just wrote a script for them to start off at 0.5 milligrams. I would do it if my doctor said that it was okay, but I'm happy that I started off at 0.25 milligrams just so I can, if I did have like any major side effects, which I did have some, it wouldn't be as intense, because this medication is something that is foreign to your body. It has to build up in your body. As time goes on, you're going to notice that you're eating less. You're going to notice that when you do eat, you are fuller longer. And I don't think a lot of people know that information, because when it comes to these medications, everyone just knows that it is just the groundbreaking hoo-ha of the weight loss community. Take Wegovy, you're going to drop 40% of your weight, or whatever that percentage is. That's definitely too high. But a lot of people do not share that within the first few milligrams that you're taking it, you're not going to see much of a weight loss. For me, I believe for those dosages, I lost somewhere between 5 and 8 pounds. For me, I did not see much weight loss until I got to 1 milligram. And that could be because for the prior months, I was losing like 5, 8 pounds, blah, blah, blah. But with the 1 milligram, while taking that for a month, I saw a lot more weight loss versus the 3 prior dosages. And trust me, once you get up to 2.4 milligrams of Wegovy, you're not even going to remember how you were feeling while taking a 0.25 milligrams. You're literally going to have to remind yourself to eat throughout the day, because your appetite will be pretty much gone. Someone also did comment that they plan on taking Wegovy for the rest of their life. That is something that is up to you. If you want to take the 2.4 milligrams for the rest of your life, that is perfectly fine, as long as it is something that your doctor approves. I did do a little bit of research on that, and I did not see many like bad things about it. So that is something that you can talk to your doctor about. Me personally, I feel like that was doing too much for me, and I felt like I probably was going to lose too much weight if I continue to take the 2.4 milligrams. And then also, I've talked to someone who takes their 2.4 milligrams every other month. So if you want to take the medication for, the long haul, you possibly can, but it also go back and talk to your doctor regarding that. Someone also did ask me if it's okay to jump from 0.25 to 0.75 milligrams. Again, that is something that you need to discuss with your doctor, because I'm not a medical professional. And also for me, I experience each stage of the medication. So I really can't give you any advice on how it will feel from jumping from 0.25 to 0.75 or 1 milligram of the medication. So make sure you talk to your doctor about that, and then you can make a plan on how to take the medication. The next topic was, I saw a few comments asking me if Wegovy was the cause of my depression once I stopped it. I suffer from manic depression, which is a bipolar disorder. And I would say almost every year around a certain time, I go into like a depression state. But while taking Wegovy, I already was kind of depressed while taking it. I was a little depressed before taking it, and everything intensified when I stopped. Something happened in my walk in life. that just threw me over, and I was just done with everything, and that pushed me deeper into my depression. So me personally, I do not feel that Wegovy was the cause of my depression once I stopped it, even though it is a side effect of when you stop the medication, from what I've been told. But that wasn't the case for me. I am on medication because I'm bipolar, and I would say about 3 months into being in that extreme low, that's when I reached out to my doctor and was like, I need to get back on some medication. And we were testing out different medications to help me get back to feeling normal. So that was the video. I just wanted to come in and answer a quick few questions. If you have any more questions, please either comment that below, or if you are not comfortable with commenting below because you don't want people in your business, I understand that. You can send me an email, and my email is also located in the bio below. Make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe for more content. And I hope you all have a great morning, night, evening, afternoon, or whenever you watch this video. And I will talk to y'all later. Deuces.